Hi fellow viewers to everybody. Good morning. My name is Steve. My full name is Steve Hoong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. Okay, by the way, may nagtatanong sa akin, may nag-PM sa akin the other day, I think Monday or Tuesday, itong October 2025. Kung meron ba akong necrological videos tungkol kang FPJ or known as Fernando Poe Jr. Actually, yan ang screen name niya. Okay, palabas, kasi ang common screen name niya is Fernando Poe Jr. or FPJ. Okay? Actually, meron na po akong complete details. Yung from his birth, iba pa yung kay Susan Roses, yung legal wife niya, and until his death, yun, nagkaroon siya ng depression or napunta sa aneurysm kasi yung hindi niya ma-accept na talo siya yung 2004 Philippine national election. By the way, may nagtanong sa akin kung meron pa akong checklist yung 5 presidential candidates yung 2004 Philippine election. Actually, the answer is yes, I have. Ganito yan. Sa 5 presidential candidates, ang nag-file sa 5 candidates, ito makinig, fellow viewers. By the way, hindi pa to complete necrological video. Ito ay only introductory pa lang. Pero kung sasabihin mong complete details, mas mahaba-haba ang number of minutes. Okay, ito ang 5 presidential candidates ay si former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. Siya lang ang babae. Then, pangalawa, si Fernando Poe Jr. Okay. Pangatlo, si Senator Panfilo Ping Lacson. Yun. Then, pang-apat, si Brother Eddie Villanueva or known as yung founder ng JIL or Jesus is Lord. Tumakbo siya ng president. Yan ang first niyang tumakbo ng politics yung 2004. Kasi ang purpose niya that time, si Brother Eddie Villanueva, gusto niya kung ano yung laws na na-apply sa ibang country, gusto niya i-apply sa Philippines. Actually, natalo din siya dahil kay Arroyo. Kasi syempre, malakas ang influensya sa kanya. Kasi syempre, tight ang laban that time. Si Arroyo at si Fernando Poe Jr. Then, yung nagkaroon ng cancer, yung 5th ay si Senator Raul Roco. Yun po. 5 lang ang tumatakbo. Simple lang talaga yung 2004 national election. Then, ang ending is ang dineclare sa Commission on Election ay si Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. However, ito makinig. However, ang totoo palang nanalo ay si Fernando Poe Jr. Yun. Alam ko, napaka-complicated. It's hard to prove, pero yun ang ending, ang lumabas. Kasi maraming issues yung sa Mindanao. Kaya, hindi ma-accept ni FPJ that time. But if bigyan ko kayo ng a little details now. He was born on August 20, 1939. Then, he died on December 14, 2004 at the age of 65. He was buried beside his parents sa Manila North Cemetery. Yan po ang pinaka-importante. Then, ang legal wife niya ay si Susan Roses. Yun ang legal wife. Then, etong si Grace po, yung senator, yung female senator, si Senator Grace po Liamansares, tinuring niyang anak na babae. Then, anak niya si Lobby po. Don't you worry, my fellow viewers, i-mention ko sa next necrological video. Ito is just only introductory. Kasi may nagtatanong na, meron ba akong necrological video kay FPJ? Meron. The answer is yes, I have. I have that one. Ang akin lang is, yung gusto kong, kasi ganun ako gumawa ng necrological videos, kailangan complete details. Ano yung movies na nagkaroon ng awards, saan siya sumikat. Yun ang importante. Eto, don't you worry fellow viewers, okay, this is just only simple necrological videos. Pero when I say complete details necrological video, o yun, lahat na yan. From his birth until his death. So, yun. Then, Meron ako i-mention doon yung kung meron ba silang anak ni Novabilia. The answer is wala. Si FPJ at si Novabilia ay wala silang anak. Doon yung malalaman sa next necrological video. Doon yung malalaman ang sagot. Ano kaya nangyari? Bakit nagkaganon? Bakit nagkaroon ng issue before? Bakit pinapalabas sa media na si FPJ at si Novabilia ay may anak? Pero ang totoo pala, walang anak. It will be discovered to the public. Kasi ako as a world's famous necrologist, kailangan well-detailed, well-explained. Kasi magkakaroon ng misleading. Tsaka pangalawa, uso ang fake news that time. Kasi ang gusto nila kasi pag may news, may balita na. Pero ang ending pala, walang katotohanan. Grabe ang fake news dito sa Philippines. I'm gonna tell you, my fellow viewers. Okay? So, by the way, before I say goodbye, don't forget to click the notification bell. Ang ibig ko sabihin, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for my next necrological videos. Thank you so much for listening in this video. Good morning. Gaya na sinabi ko, my fellow viewers, may kasunod pa itong complete details kay FPJ. Maraming salamat po.